Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix a rear cup holder in a VW Golf Mk5. First, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal tool and a small Phillips head screwdriver. You might also need a flathead screwdriver for prying. It's wise to have replacement parts like a new spring or plastic clips on hand, just in case. Prepare a clean, well-lit workspace to prevent losing any tiny screws or components. This preparation will make the entire repair process much smoother and more efficient for you. Now, let's get that cup holder out. Begin by carefully prying up the surrounding trim panel. Use a plastic trim removal tool to avoid scratching your interior. Once the trim is loose, you'll typically find 2 or 3 small Phillips head screws holding the cup holder unit in place. Unscrew these completely. Then, gently but firmly, pull the entire cup holder assembly straight out from its housing. Take your time here to prevent any accidental damage to the surrounding console. With the cup holder removed, it's time to identify the problem. Most often, the issue is a broken spring or a snapped plastic tab that prevents the holder from extending or retracting properly. Carefully open the unit to expose the internal mechanism. If a spring is broken, replace it with a new one, ensuring it has the correct tension. For broken plastic tabs, a strong plastic-specific adhesive or even a small plastic weld can often provide a durable fix. Aim for a secure and lasting repair. Finally, let's put everything back together. Carefully slide your now repaired cup holder assembly back into its housing. Make sure it aligns perfectly with the screw holes. Reinsert and firmly tighten the 2 or 3 Phillips head screws you removed earlier. Once secured, snap the surrounding trim panel back into place, applying even pressure until it clicks and is fully seated. Before you finish, thoroughly test the cup holder's functionality several times to ensure it extends and retracts smoothly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.